I got a request from my followers that I should talk about free VPN you can be able to use on your laptops. So today I'm talking about the Windscribe. I dropped a mobile video. Check out the other video I dropped on Windscribe for how to use Windscribe free VPN on your mobile. So if you're using a browser, especially Chrome, what you can do is you can just Google for the Windscribe Chrome extension. So you just need to download the Windscribe Chrome extension. This is it, right? So it has that's a free proxy and ad blockers. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and like all our videos and check out videos that will be helpful to you. So you can see that the extension have been added, right? I could pin it on my taskbar. So you just need to get started, and getting started, you can either log in if you have an account, or you can just click on get started. So for the free VPN, you get 10 gig per month, right? So and you can be able to switch it on at any time and switch it off when you need it. So I'll just do a free sign up, right? You can just do a sign up, follow 0011 and just do Google select password, right? I could copy it and yeah, okay, you can be able to create an account without an email or add an email. So I could just use this email address. Okay, so I've logged in. So all you just need to do is come back to this, and you have to just sign in with your account, right? Sorry, just log in with that particular user details. Okay, so you can see that my Windscribe is already connected. This is using a 2 gig. I can decide to upgrade it right to the 10 gig for a month, and this is their monthly plan. Thank you for watching. I love application. Kindly hit on the subscribe button so you can be able to visit your website. You can turn it off at any time, you can turn it on, and you can be able to select different countries that you want to use.